Yes, sir. Alright. I guarantee me that on the top road side. Let me get tired, brother. I don't know. Why I don't know no? Yeah, I don't know, brother. The bike hard for clutch up, it come like it's either the cable, or maybe me need clutch cock, or maybe a this. But I think I can't up my hand, brother. You feel a joke? Come on, school? Up there, yeah. What? Yeah? Yo, not that, yo, it's sweet, you know, dog. Yo. Almighty Wheelie with me on the back and me say, yo dog, do it again. I say, bombard. Sweet dog. Yo, your foot brake the higher than your peg. Huh? Your foot brake it the higher than your foot peg.
Everybody same level.
My one eye dog and me I tell you a bait, brother. You have to catch up my foot so.
The brakes stand higher.
Yeah. No, brother. Hey, see you there. Tap it. Oh, sure.
So yeah, people, another day. Today is Tuesday, the 25th, aka payday. You see me? This would have been what, practice number 5. It's either practice number 5 or 6. Reaching earlier to 5 past or something like so. So we'll see if we can practice till about 6:45, and then we'll go in, because the sky look a little bit bleak honestly when I come up here. Me look rain on the road. So you see me? Practice grounds. I want to say thanks to everybody who has been like instructing me basically and guiding me. You see me? All of that me really appreciate it, guys. You see me? Appreciate it, because enough people learn and them not nobody to guide them. Enough people learn and drop enough. Me I try learn and drop none. You see it? So yeah, I'm going to put in some work. So that is that, guys.
Alright guys, basically today what I'm trying to do is to slow down the wheelies, or slow it down. I mean, what I'm doing, I don't even call it wheelies. So what I'm trying to do is to slow it down because somebody gave me a tip that I'm moving too fast. You see me? So brake. Whoa, shit! Whoa, shit! Holy shit, bro! That was far back. That was far back. I'm not gonna lie. Ooh. Guys, those were far back. I'm not gonna lie. My heart a beat fast right now, but you see in my mind right now, brake. Me I instill this thing in my mind. Brake, no matter what. Brake. Cause you see, if me never brake, oh gosh man, it wouldn't have been pretty. So me I try instill in my mind. Brake. So we are trying to get the height, but we're trying to slow it down as well. So slow down. Those were lame. That's lame. Brake. So brake, yes. Brake, yes. I'm trying to narrate what I'm doing, but it's hard because I'm learning, guys. So if you not hear me say nothing, just know say me I try keep focus. You see me? But somebody told me that I need to slow it down. As soon as the bike drop, wait a little bit, get back my bearings and go again. You see me? So that's exactly what I'm trying to do. Another thing I'm trying to do as well, you see, when I bring it down, realize me I drop the front end too much. So when I start try to do a gas it out. So when the front end I come down, I try gas it out. So a lot of videos that I watch, them tell me say when it a come down, gas it out, just so that the front end come down a little bit smoother. You see me? Don't mash up your fork seals, don't mash up the whole front end. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually progressing, guys, because my carrot go way up not too long, and actually those levels were scary, but I felt kind of relaxed. I felt balance point. It felt good, me not lie. You see me? Wait till that carrier pass. So it feel good. Nah lie, me I catch for the next 5 minutes and then jump out and come go me yard. You see it? And next time I try the draw foot, because my shoes are so 100, so the draw foot now go feel so. Woo. That's brake right there, bro. Ooh, guess which foot fly off? The left one. The left one fly off, not the right one. Yo, may I tell you now, you see my right foot? It come like it glued to the bike right now. Glued, and that me I try instill in my mind. You see me? Right foot have to glue on, brother, because they say brake there. Another tip somebody gave me was to pump the brake. So every time before me wheelie, me just touch the brake, make sure say dead. You see me? Because you don't want to be mid wheelie and you lose brake pressure and you drop back and don't have anything to bring you up. Bring you back, you see me? That was all brake. Those felt good. Those felt good, bro. Alright folks, so current time is 6:41. So you can see me get in 20 minutes. Half hour, I'm not sure. 20 minutes. I call it 20 minutes, 25 minutes, something like that. Worth of practice.
You see me? Place I get dark up here now. And more and go edit a video, so cut out. Made some progress today, guys. Some good progress. You see me? So tomorrow again. You see it. So go and stick with me on the journey, you see me? Today is Thursday. I don't know which lesson number we at. But yesterday I did kinda take the day yesterday. You see me? Take the day yesterday and today I reach home kinda late-ish. The place kinda darkish, you see me? Darker than usual, but I still see if I can put in 20 minutes and jump off about like 2:07. I just stop. You see me? So just go and tune in and catch some on the video here. Catch some on this as best as possible. See it there. Charge up. Me only have what, 15 minutes, 11 minutes? Yeah, so go and stay tuned. Bro. Oh, I forgot to tell you, it's like, yes, I kill me star, me hungry. You see me? Never really eat much lunch today, so you don't know. Yeah. Alright guys, switch to GoPro. So what I want to start getting out is a little bit higher and more distant, you see me? One can modulate the gas. Higher modulate the gas brake, you see me? Yeah. Each day I want to push myself. I think on Sunday I'm going to practice draw foot on Sundays. Yo, I'm not telling no lie, I'm hungry a fret. You know what make me not bring it up high? I'm not power it properly, man. But you see, fear is holding me back, bro. Fear is holding me back. I feel like I press the brake too hard, brother. I like that spot, your dog. Only thing I don't like, too much vehicle, brother. Too much car. On that spot where nothing, nobody. You see me? Nobody, no. Oh, that was nice. I wasn't even high, but like that one felt good. Alright people, officially call it end of this practice session. The GoPro run out of memory, so yeah. But guys, I'm not like getting it higher, I feel more and more confident and comfortable. You see me? I feel way more confident and comfortable. So it's just a matter of time, guys, where we can get it higher and further. So we still are going to practice. You see me? Enough love and respect. Out. By camera there, yes, sir.